golden hour fades, just like the promises we made. Tell me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out something seriously next level in AI video creation. Introducing Higgsfield Veo 3.1. The latest update that brings crystal clear visuals, studio quality sound, and next-gen prompt control right to your screen. Whether you're making realistic talking videos, cinematic story scenes, or smooth product promos, this new version takes everything up a notch. In this video, I'll give you a full walkthrough of how Veo 3.1 works inside Higgsfield.ai, test out its coolest new tools live, and show you exactly why it's quickly becoming a favorite among AI creators. So, if you're ready to see how powerful AI video generation can really get, let's jump in. And before we start, just click that sign up button on Higgsfield.ai to get access and follow along. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see several options at the top. Explore Image, Video, Edit, Assist, Apps, and Community. Let's start with the Image section. Here, you'll find some really powerful tools like Create Image, Soul ID Character, Draw to Edit, Fashion Factory, and a few more creative options. As for the models, you can choose from Higgsfield Soul, the top performing model, 2.2 image, Seedream 4.0, the newest edition, and others like Nano Banana for unique styles. Now, moving on to the video section, this is where the real magic happens. You'll get features like Create Video, Lip Sync Studio, Talking Avatar, and plenty more options to explore. In the models list, you'll find Higgsfield TOP, Google Veo 3, Google Veo 3.1, and even Kling 2.5 Turbo, among others. Alright, now that you've got an overview of everything, let's get started. I'm clicking on the Create Image option to generate a brand new image using AI. Below, you'll see several options. You can select the model, choose the aspect ratio, set the quality from basic to high, and even decide the number of images you want to generate. I'm clicking on the character option. Here, you'll see several models available. I'm selecting one from this list to use for my image. Here, I'm entering my prompt, then clicking on the Generate button to create the image. After a few seconds, the AI generates the image. And as you can see, the result looks really detailed, sharp, and perfectly matches the prompt. Now, I'll simply download the image so we can use it in the next step. Turning it into a video with Veo 3.1, I'll click on the Create Video option. This is where all the magic happens. Alright, here I'm uploading the image, and next I'll enter my video prompt, describing exactly what I want the character or scene to do. As you can see, Higgsfield offers a wide range of models, each built for different visual styles and effects. For this one, I'm choosing Veo 3.1, the newest and most advanced model. It delivers crystal clear sound, sharper visuals, and incredibly realistic motion. Now, I'll set the quality and aspect ratio for my video, then simply click on Generate. And that's it. Higgsfield Veo 3.1 will start processing the prompt and bring it to life with stunning visuals and professional level audio. Here's the final result.
The golden hour fades, just like the promises we made. Tell me.
Just look at how clean and lifelike it turned out. The animation is smooth, the lighting looks perfectly natural, and every detail is super sharp. Plus, the sound quality is on another level. Veo 3.1 gives you that studio clear voice with zero background noise or distortion. And once your video is ready, you can download it instantly right from here. Now, let's test one more example and see how it performs. I'm going to upload another image to see how Veo 3.1 performs with a different look and style. Now, I'll simply enter my new prompt, then select the model, choose the resolution, and set the aspect ratio. That's all you need to do before generating your video. Once everything is ready, I'll click on Generate. And within a few moments, Veo 3.1 starts bringing the scene to life. The process is super quick, and every time it delivers smooth, high-quality motion with amazing clarity. And here's the final result. You can clearly see how realistic it looks. In the image, soldiers were standing still. But after my prompt, it turned into a full war scene with explosions and action. That's the power of Veo 3.1. It perfectly understands every prompt and brings it to life with smooth, realistic motion. The visuals are ultra sharp, the lighting looks cinematic, and the sound is crystal clear, just like a professional studio render. And that wraps up today's video. We just turned a simple image into a stunning, fully animated video, all powered by Higgsfield Veo 3.1. If you're a creator, this tool is an absolute game changer. It saves you hours of work, keeps your visuals consistent, and gives your content that next level quality. You can try it out yourself. I've dropped all the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.